We gotta do it big on this one.
Ready?
Let's go.
Go. What's up, everyone? Happy Easter. I thought it would be a fun idea to have a little mini Easter egg hunt. We are going to be looking for these golden eggs inside of these Easter eggs. First one to find the golden egg gets a little twist that you'll see later in the video. Let's get into it.
I ain't got nothing.
No, you don't have it. Boom. So these are Easter eggs. Wait 1 second.
Okay.
Easter eggs are here. 4 of them in here have a golden egg. So we're all going. We're going to grab one. We'll start with you, and then me. Everybody grab one. And okay, I'll take one of these. Ready? All right, check it out.
I got a golden Cadbury egg.
Dude, I thought you said you got a golden egg. I was like, if you got it on the first try, I'd be so mad.
Yeah, like
Wait, yes.
chocolate.
Yes, what did you get? Did you both get one?
I got one too.
Wait, what? What? How did you both
Did
get?
we just blow your mind?
Yeah. Do you guys know what the odds of that happening is?
One in
There's only 4
45.
in here. Yes. All right. Well. All right. You guys. I don't know. That's
Sweet.
that is really weird how that happened. Here we go.
All right.
Everybody, you each take one, and then literally you can pop it. Anybody that's in the car, you can do it on anybody. No, I didn't make them. What? You think I could have made them? Oh shoot! Oh, she's not wasting any time. Oh no! I was waiting for. I knew I was gonna get it at some point. You've made my night a little bit more exciting. I would like to definitely return the favor for everybody here. As you can tell from the confetti on the floor.
Yes.
And so we have we have some fun in here sometimes. But I have a security camera up here, and every now and then I have an idea to do like different activities with my passengers. Easter theme coming up. I have some eggs in here. We can do a little mini Easter egg hunt.
Ooh, let's see.
Oh, please tell me it's not a
If
golden
it has one
egg.
already, then you're
It's
good.
not gonna be your head, because
Yeah.
no.
Sorry.
Okay. Not in that one.
Loser.
So
Okay.
let's
I
all
got
choose one.
stickers.
Let's all choose one. There's 8 golden eggs in here.
Dude, this is really
Check
cool
them out.
of you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, I don't have one.
I don't have
Oh, I
No.
don't either.
No,
Oh,
nothing.
shit, Jeffrey.
No.
All right.
So what happens now?
No, keep your eggs. That way we don't put it back in there. We'll choose
Okay.
one. We'll choose again.
Okay.
Let's go up
Put
to
it back
3.
together?
If you want, you don't have to. You can just.
Well, no,
throw
I
it
want for your
around.
other riders tonight.
Okay. Boom.
I have candy.
Take one. Take
I'm
one.
I'm telling you right
Looking
now.
for a golden egg.
No, I got candy. I don't need it.
This is the golden egg. I'm telling you, I can feel it. It's golden egg. You're getting it.
Your golden nugget.
Chicharoni, cascaroni, you're getting it.
Hold on. Wait, let him open it up.
No.
Damn it!
Okay, one more.
All right. Choose again.
There are golden eggs in here, right?
There's 8 of them. There's 8.
I'm gonna predict.
Look. Okay, that's one for me.
Oh wait, there's a golden chocolate.
Okay, yes, that's it. Yes,
Oh, that's
yes,
it.
that's it. Okay, so you keep yours. Keep yours.
Okay.
You get it. Did you get one?
I'll get a cascaroni.
Let's go,
This is
ladies.
very clever. of you.
Ladies first.
Okay.
Choose
Who
your
else
weapon.
got one?
Choose your weapon.
Put it together.
Who are you gonna put it on?
You.
You get one. I'll take this one.
Go ahead.
Yeah, pop it. I'm
Something.
something. Whoever.
Oh, damn. That was
Damn.
hard.
That's
was
clever.
really cool.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
Nice job.
All right. So take one.
Lucky.
Take one. All right. Go for it.
No, I got candy.
Got candy. Okay.
See?
We're running. See, look, we're running so low.
Yeah.
I'm taking this one. I'm feeling a sticker.
Yeah, nothing. No dice.
At this point, I'm getting all stickers at this point.
Yeah.
I haven't even gotten a candy, so I can eat a candy. All right, boom, this one.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I
Oh,
got one!
dang.
And she already got you. We'll see who she's gonna get next. Did you get one or no?
I didn't get one.
You didn't get one? Okay.
No, it's just her. She's locked and loaded.
Choose your weapon.
Nice.
I was like, I knew she had gotten you before. I was like, there's only one other person. Unless she really wants to get you twice. Then there it goes.
What else do you know?
One more in here, guys.
We need to go somewhere disco, baby.
I want this one to do it. Oh,
got it!
dang it!
Yes!
How do you get it twice in a row?
My birthday and my stuff, all that shit.
Oh yeah, it's your birthday?
Yes! 420. Oh,
You're Brandon, right?
Yeah, you got it, man.
Okay.
Now,
oh my god.
now let me tell you the rules here. Whoever gets the golden egg gets the cascaron, pops it on somebody's head.
Okay.
Oh, shit, no.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Are we good? Birthday?
Yeah.
Now, before anything, birthday boy, I had a birthday girl last time, and if I don't let you do it, then I'm gonna be a hypocrite. You take an egg, because it's your birthday.
Oh,
Yes?
oh
And
my
now
God.
you got a freebie. Oh, okay, yeah, crunch it, throw it on. Crunch it, throw it on.
Oh my
Crunch it, throw it on, just throw it. Do it, do it. Alright, perfect.
Right when he thought he was home free.
That was a freebie. That was a freebie.
Oh
All right.
my god.
That was a
I'm
freebie.
sorry.
No, it's okay.
I'm
It's okay.
sorry.
Oh, well, crap.
Wait a minute, hold on. Do you guys realize what just happened? She got 3 of the 4 that were in here. I don't even. Oh my gosh.
Did you buy a lot of tickets?
And you there you go. Right. All right. Take your pick. Ah. I cannot believe you got out of here unscathed with
I know.
nothing, not even one.
I was gonna
That-
get her good, too.
Yeah, I know you were. Yeah.
Wait. So what happened? So I got hit twice. You got hit twice.
Yeah. Dang, man.
That sucks, man. Were you able to get all the confetti off yet?
I'm gonna leave it. It'll come off in due time,
Or are you just gonna leave it on?
yeah.
Oh, okay. So you won't mind like a little bit more then, right?
Oh!
You won't mind like a little.
Oh, sneak attack.
I've been like gathering.
Dang.
I've been gathering them up the whole
I'm gonna
time.
keep it. I'm gonna brush it off in your car now. I was
That's
gonna wait
fine.
till I got
No,
outside.
no, that's fine, man.
I
It's
love
all
it.
good.
He was like, you know what? Daniel.
Well, it would have been funnier if he said, "Oh yeah, I got it all off," and then I did it. But I was like, "Oh, you're just gonna go along with it?" Okay, I was like, "Fine."
You were plotting up there, right?
The whole time I was just grabbing a whole bunch of all this confetti on the. Keep them back there for now. You guys, one more time, another round.
Oh, yeah.
We got there's still 6 more eggs in here, so we can.
Is the camera still running?
Mhm.
Did it get my joke?
Yep. Yes. All right, keep it.
Alright, so what's this?
Oh, that's it. You got it. Okay, you got one. Yeah.
You're toast,
Let him pick one. Let him pick one real quick.
How do you know, Jimmy? You might be, well,
Damn
Wait,
it.
nothing.
you might
Who got one? Did you get one?
Yes.
And who else? Anybody else? And, dude,
concussion Jim with no hair.
all right, you guys. All right, you two, you got it. You got a free for all.
So is this gonna be on YouTube somewhere?
You can. It's called Precious Cargo is the channel name. And
Cargo?
yeah, I'm trying to get up there by Easter. So, all right, here we go. So we're gonna choose one, get one, get one. All right, take one.
Yeah.
No take backs. All right, open it
Yes.
up. Open it up. There should be a golden egg, is what you're looking for.
This?
Yes. Okay. He got one. Let's get him. Let him open one up. If you get one, I'll be so mad. You got 2. Okay. No. All right. No. Keep it.
Did
Don't-
you get one or you don't open it?
No, I didn't get one. I got a sticker.
Okay.
All right.
Like you don't pop one on us?
I hopefully will. I want to get you back for your birthday. Hopefully, we'll see. Keep your egg so we don't get it mixed up, and then we'll put it back afterwards. He got a golden egg, so boom.
Yeah,
choose your
Papi.
weapon,
Do one.
Oh my god!
and then now you choose one of us, whoever you want.
Whoever I want.
Yep.
No! My hair.
I like how he was like, he'll be mad if I pick him. I would have been fine.
Yes.
Should we go again?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. There should be. I think there's 7 more in here. So you
Oh
guys,
my god.
So you guys choose.
Okay.
Keep your egg for now, and then we'll put it back afterwards, or we don't mix them up.
Oh shit, I already put my other one back in.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay. Well, then that's okay. Not a big deal.
Okay.
Not a
One
problem.
drops down here.
Yeah, that's not.
I don't know where it went.
It's okay. Leave it. Leave it. Forget about it. It's all good. Check it out. What do you got? Guys, dude, what? He
I
got
didn't get one.
Okay, he did. He got one. I don't know how you guys are getting one. Okay, well, all right. Choose again.
I bet he's gonna give it to me. Either way, I'm gonna laugh.
I will do this one.
Go
No,
ahead.
this one.
Yes, the blue one.
And
The
then
blue one. Oh my god.
and then whoever you want. Oh, you got. Oh.
I knew
No,
it.
here. I don't see him.
Look back.
Keep-
Turn around.
He's gonna use the mirror.
Turn around.
I see.
In here, I got Easter eggs and then. I don't know if you guys want to get confetti on you guys.
Okay.
Are you guys want to go for it? It's like a little mini Easter egg. Oh yeah, just take one.
Okay.
And then. All right. All right. Pop it open. Okay, this is what you're looking for right here. This is what you're looking for. Yeah, that's one right there. What did you get? Did you get one?
Candy, yeah, that's like some biggest.
All right, you got one here. All right, you choose one. Choose one. I'm taking one. I got one, and then you get whoever you want.
Crack that shit on somebody.
Dude,
There you go.
There you go.
you already know if you're gonna get me, man. You already know, man. You already know. If you're gonna be getting me, I gotta get you back. I can't get them. That's not fair. That
Nice.
wouldn't be fair, man.
Nice.
That wouldn't be fair.
I love it.
All right,
We get
again.
round 3.
You want to go again? All right, we'll go again.
Oh my god.
I love how everybody has gotten one so far, and I have not gotten one. I'm pretty mad.
Shit, they're like all falling.
It's okay. It's okay.
I don't know.
This one.
Oh my god,
all
you
right.
knocked me.
Girl, dang it! No, this is definitely not one. Oh wait, yes it is. Yes. Oh, I did not think I was gonna get
Two
one.
for you.
I got one.
Not for me.
I got one too.
Okay, you got one. All right, you go first.
Oh my god. This one.
Go ahead. And then now you got another one, man. Go ahead. What do you want? You are gonna get me. All right, I'm getting you.
Yeah!
Yes. A picture.
A picture. Okay,
my
okay.
Yes. Oh, hold on.
This is so funny, man.
Yes.
You can get it with both of you.
Good. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Where did you come up with this?
This is so funny. I don't know. I was thinking about what to do for Easter, and I could not think of something.
This is amazing.
And yeah, no, it's all good,
Oh my
guys.
god.
I just love how he ended up with mo.
Oh my goodness, your hair is all over the place. If you guys want to go again,
One more, bro.
go again. All right, one more. Oh yeah, it's all good. Keep them out for now.
Yeah.
All right, go again. Take another one.
What the fuck am I looking for?
Looking-
look, yeah.
That's all right. That's what you're looking for right there. You got golden egg right there.
You got gold name.
Okay, I got another one. I'm gonna say that's not fair. I got another one. Did you get one? No. All right, hold on. Let me go. I only got one more left in here. I got somewhere in the back.
All right.
With celebration.
Honestly, man, you guys are honestly the last people that I'm gonna have with the confetti. So let's just go ahead and we'll just go all out real quick. Here, 2 for you.
Cool.
2 for you. 2 for you.
So we all got golden eggs.
2
So we all got it.
and 2.
Say a big shebang.
A big. We gotta do a big on this one.
Ready?
Let's go.
Go.
Fuck it.
Hey, man. Hell yeah. Hey, bro, you
Yeah,
gotta
bro.
take a piece of fucking pizza, dog.
No, I'm
Come
good,
on,
man. I
man.
appreciate you. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. It's all
What's your
good.
name, bro?
Brandon.
Brandon, man.
Uh-huh.
That's cool, man. Appreciate you.
Hey, man. Appreciate the ride, dog.
Yeah,
Badass,
Brandon.
badass.
You're a badass, bro.
Oh,
Yes, me. Appreciate,
Badass
appreciate
ride,
Brandon.
bro. I appreciate that shit.
Yeah,
I like
yeah,
the vibes
man.
too, dog.
it's all good, man.
Wait,
You
I like
guys
the games, dog, in here.
enjoy your intermission and
Yes,
have fun
sir.
tomorrow.
Hopefully we get you again, dog. Shit, I'm gonna be looking at the guy with the lights.
I'll be out there tomorrow, man.
Alright, man. Appreciate
Hey,
that
Brandon.
shit, dog.
Bye.
Shit, bro.
Hey.
I like the ride, bro.
All over.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Have a good night. You have a good night, dog. Be safe, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate
yeah,
the ride, dog.
Yeah, it's all good, man. So that's the end of the video. Remember, if you have any ideas for any further videos you want me to do, leave your comments down below. Any activities, games, any suggestions that you think might be fun, go ahead and let me know. I'm always down to try them out. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.